What are you talking?
You know, whatever I say these days is always taken out of context. So I don't even know what to say. But what is important is I'm here, I'm still the governor of Rivers State, and we'll continue to do what we have promised the Rivers people that we'll do. And I'm really happy that you had your tournament for 1 week and the president boldly telling the world that there was no incident. It shows that we are working and Rivers State is safe. That is the most important thing. And that is the basic responsibility of government. I'm here for 2 reasons. The first, I want the president to understand that he's not the one that made me to attend this event. I'm here because of my late brother, Engineer Architect Roland Kukikan. Fortunately, the wife is here and the son. I did promise I will come here to honor the memory of my late brother. Secondly, the president and maybe very few people that are very close to me ambushed me some days ago. And he said, if I don't attend this event, that he was going to stop some things he promised he was going to do for us in Rivers State. And I was in between the devil and the deep blue sea. While I originally had in mind to come here for my brother, I said, okay, let me use 1 stone and kill 2 birds. And notwithstanding, we must move on. We must carry out our responsibility as government, and we must continue to support everyone who means well for Rivers State. So I'm here on behalf of the government and the very, very wonderful people of Rivers State to say, he has mentioned a few things, some of your problems. I'm not going to support you to buy a trailer, but I will help in improving the status and place of this club. That is my promise to you this night. For all our guests, enjoy our state. Take home the story that it is not what you hear in social media or what they tell you in this European media. Rivers State is safe. For me, the life and property of everybody living and doing business here is the most important thing to me. I will not for any reason support directly or indirectly any act that will endanger the life of anyone. I made this promise here, I've made it severally, I'm saying it again this night. So we wish you well as you go back to your places. And for those of you that will continue the enjoyment this night, it's just unfortunately that I can't pay for everything, but enjoy yourself. Thank you. I believe next year I will be in a more better form to be with you from the beginning to the end of the event. Thank you, and may God bless everyone.